In the fast-paced, high-stakes world of modern data centers, one size rarely fits all. The evolving landscape of enterprise, colocation, and edge facilities demand specialized infrastructure. Welcome to Larson Electronics, a leader in custom-engineered power solutions designed for reliability and efficiency across all types of deployments, from large-scale hyperscale facilities to compact remote edge deployments. We understand that every environment has unique power requirements, space constraints, and cooling challenges. We provide integrated solutions from initial consultation to final implementation. For large enterprise and colocation centers, we design and deliver specialized high-capacity switchgear and modular uninterruptible power supply systems that offer flexibility to adapt to changing power demands while reducing total cost of ownership. For edge facilities where space and remote management are critical, we offer compact, rugged designs with advanced monitoring capabilities. A cornerstone of our custom offerings are intelligent, high-density power distribution units, engineered for maximum energy efficiency and control. These units provide the data necessary for site reliability engineers to optimize capacity and prevent downtime. At Larson Electronics, we don't predict the future of data, we build the power infrastructure to support it. Larson Electronics was founded in 1973 as an industrial lighting company. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, our mission is to provide customers with high-quality industrial products through reliable sales support and expedited delivery services. With over 140,000 square feet of fabrication and warehouse facilities, we are well prepared to build any power distribution or lighting solution to customer specifications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.